Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into the world of HVAC filter selection and MERV ratings. This is an important topic, as the responsibility of maintaining a clean indoor air environment has increased significantly in recent decades. Employees are more aware of health concerns, allergic conditions, and the effects of chemicals in the workplace. They also have better access to legal expertise and are more likely to litigate. Computers have become standard office equipment, and dust can cause overheating and failure in power supplies, as well as reading errors on hard drives and tape heads. The fabrication of integrated circuit boards has set the pace for air filtration standards found only in exotic aerospace assembly labs a decade ago. This has led to new challenges in HVAC filter selection. To address these challenges, ASHRAE developed Standard 52.2 in 1999. This standard features two important improvements over previous standards: the use of chemically generated potassium chloride, KCl dust, allows for the efficient and consistent generation of particles down to an average size of 0.3 microns. This enables repeatable testing of filter media performance on very small particles. The decoupling of filter loading from filter arrestance. The new standard requires the use of standard test dust to load filters, simulating the normal increases in efficiency and pressure drop that occur as a dry media filter becomes impacted with fibers and particles. The MERV, Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, rating is based on the worst-case performance of a filter through all 6 stages of dust loading and all particles 0.3-10 microns. This is different from the average efficiency provided by the previous ASHRAE 52.1 standard. MERV ratings are not yet listed in many filter catalogs, but they will eventually become a standard part of all catalog listings. For managers working with high-efficiency particulate air, HEPA filters, and ultra-low penetration air, ULPA filters, a working knowledge of ASHRAE 52.2 will soon become vital. The MERV rating table lists arrestance efficiencies for MERV values to 16, with higher ratings available for HEPA and ULPA filters. Some key equivalencies. MERV values of 8 and higher correspond to dust spot efficiencies of more than 30%. MERV values of 13 and higher correspond to dust spot efficiencies more than 80%. MERV values of 15 and higher correspond to dust spot efficiencies more than 95%. As we transition to the new MERV ratings, here are some tips to keep in mind. Work with factory representatives to obtain documentation showing the new MERV ratings for existing products. Look for new MERV ratings that will appear along with the old dust spot or DOP rating on filters and filter packaging. Use these equivalencies to better understand the new ratings. Create a new strategy for evaluating filters in terms of target particle sizes. Inspect filter installations for good sealing and monitor filters regularly. By understanding HVAC filter selection and MERV ratings, facility managers can create a healthier and more productive indoor work environment. The new standard provides more control over tailoring the quality of the facility's air supply, and MERV ratings encourage filter selection based on particle size requirements. The evolution of air filtration standards has led to more precise and accurate testing procedures. ASHRAE Standard 52.2 grew out of ASHRAE Standard 52.1 to 1992, which developed out of Standard 52, 1968. Prior to Standard 52, 1968, air filters used in facilities were large mesh furnace filters that kept large fibers from fouling heating and cooling coils. In summary, the new ASHRAE Standard 52.2 provides more control over tailoring the quality of the facility's air supply. MERV ratings encourage filter selection based on particle size requirements, and the evolution of air filtration standards has led to more precise and accurate testing procedures. By understanding HVAC filter selection and MERV ratings, facility managers can create a healthier and more productive indoor work environment. The new standard provides more control over tailoring the quality of the facility's air supply, and MERV ratings encourage filter selection based on particle size requirements. I hope this presentation has provided a clear understanding of MERV ratings and their importance in HVAC filter selection. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask.